Okay, very good. So let's start with the class.
Yes.
Show me your thumb if you all are ready. So you all remember what we have done in our last class?
Yes.
What?
Yes, ma'am.
What we have done?
Plant.
Plants, yes. Which part of the plant we have done in our last class?
Root.
In our last class we have done this green color part of the plant. That is what?
Chlorophyll.
With a part named as leaves. Chlorophyll is present in the leaf. Now, can you see one very bright color part in this plant?
Yes.
What is this?
Flower.
Flower. Very good. Okay. Now, in this topic, we are going to talk about which part of the plant? That is this attractive part of the plant, which is known as flower. So you all must have seen flowers. Flowers are of different colors, different shape. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they are very attractive part of the plant. Okay, they are of different color. So let's start this class with what? Flower. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Slide with Okay, the moment I'm going to share this slide with you, I want to give you some instructions. Please, I'm going to mute you all. Okay. Whenever you have a problem, okay, simply show me your thumb. Let's start. Okay. Now this is a slide. Now let's start with the topic. That is what? Flowers. Okay. Flowers grow on stem. Now why we have flower in the plant? What is the role of the flower in a plant? Now they are very attractive, first of all. Second, some flowers change into fruit. And most fruit also have seeds inside them. So we say flowers are responsible for producing seeds. Bacha, please stop writing on the screen. No one is allowed to write on the screen. Okay. Now, this flower. Now, this flower which you are able to see, this is which flower? Rose flower. Now, there is one more picture in the screen. Now, is it easy for you to identify this? Now, let me unmute you. Please wait. Okay, can anyone identify this? This flower. Anyone can answer this? Name of this flower?
Me, ma'am, second.
Yes, second one, the one I have circled.
Weed,
Okay. Now let me show you. Now let me show you something from there. You will get the idea of it. Can you see this one? What is this? What? Mango. Mango fruit. No, second one which I have circled. Circle one. This is the mango. So the flower which you have seen in the picture, that is of what? Mango. That was a mango flower.
Mango.
Now, can you correlate it? Now we require mango flower. From the mango flower, you get what? Your mango fruit. So some of the flowers changes into fruit. Okay, now let me move to the another slide. Now seeds. When we talk about seeds, most fruits have seeds inside them. You must have seen your fruits when you cut them. There are seeds inside. Now why they have seeds? What is the role of a seed in a plant? A seed grows into a new plant. Now there are two types of seeds. One is the edible, one is inedible. Now what is the meaning of edible, inedible? Edible means the thing which you can eat. Seeds which you can eat are known as edible seeds. If you see, this is what? This is rice. Rice, wheat are the seeds which you can eat. So they are known as edible seeds. Now, there are other seeds which you cannot eat. They are known as, or you do not eat, they are known as inedible seeds. The seeds which you do not eat, like apple. When you cut your okay, when you cut your apple, what happens? Inside there, what are there? Seeds. Inside there, seeds are there. Can you eat the seeds of apple? No, you can't eat of apple. Now, let me show you. Can you see what is this?
Mango.
Mango. What do you think? What is there inside this mango? Seed is there? Seed is there inside there? Can you? Yes, very good. Can you eat the seed of mango?
No, ma'am.
No, you can't. No, we do not eat the seed of mango. So what it is? Mango seed is known as edible seed. We do not eat it. Now, let me show you another. Let me show you another one. Can you see this? Small seed. What? This is rajma. Do you all eat rajma? Yes. They're also known as kidney beans. You eat it? These are what? Edible or inedible? Edible seeds. Very good. Now, show you another slide. Please wait. Okay, so some of the seeds we can eat. They are known as the edible seeds, like kidney beans, wheat, rice. Some of the seeds we do not eat, like the seeds which are present in apple, watermelon, and they are known as what? Inedible seeds. Now, we also see that different fruits have different number of seeds. If you see this picture, now in watermelon there are many seeds, in kiwi there are many seeds, but in peaches, in plums, in mangoes, only one seed is there. Now if you see this picture, papaya, again many seeds. Mango, only one seed. Watermelon, many seeds. Okay, now why there are seeds inside fruit? What is the role of a seed in a plant? Now, see, now why we require seed? Because when a seed is sown, in the soil, and you give them sufficient water, air and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. Now if I want to plant a new suppose plant, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a seed in the soil, I'm going to give it water, I'm going to put it in under the sun. So because of water, air and sun, what will happen after some time, this seed will start growing. Now this roots will come out, then shoot will come out, and it will change into a full plant. Now the process of development of a new plant from a seed is known as germination. Means when you are sowing a seed into the soil, what you are doing? You are preparing a seed to get germinate. So new plant grows because of this seed germination. Now, when you see seed germinate, there are 4 things required. First one is the water, second one is the air, third one is the sunlight. Now fourth one, if temperature is not suitable for the growth of the seed, so germination won't happen. So they require proper conditions to grow, then only your seed will grow. Sometimes seeds are not able to grow, and that type of seeds are known as the dormant. Now the meaning of dormant is lying asleep. So seeds are not able to grow, so that seeds are known as dormant. Now let me go back again. Now let us connect this seed. If we are not going to have flower, if we are not going to have this flower, we are not going to have what? Fruit. If we are not going to have fruit, we are not going to have what? Seed. So the fruit which is, so the fruit which you're eating. Now, if you see this one, if you see this fruit, you're able to see this fruit. So this is mango. Now mango, you got it from what? The flower. The flower changed into the fruit, and inside the fruit there is a seed. Now if I'm going to use that seed to grow a new plant, I can do it. And when I put that seed inside the soil, I'm going to give it water, and with the help of sunlight and air, it will grow into a new plant that will known as what? Germination. Okay. Now, can you tell me some examples of the fruit where you can eat seeds? Okay. I'm going to, okay. Anyone?
Mommy. Mommy.
Okay,
Mango.
guava seeds. Very good. So that guava seeds are what? Edible or inedible?
Edible.
Edible. Okay, can you see this fruit? What is this? What is this?
I can't see the fruit. I cannot
The name of this fruit? Okay, Avijot. Avijot, can you see this fruit? Avijot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you identify this fruit? What is the name of this fruit?
Mango.
Is it? So what is this? See? It's a melon.
Melon.
Which type of melon?
melon है melon है ये
Hanji. So, can you eat the seeds of melon?
No.
No? Okay, so which type of seeds are these? If you can't eat the seeds of this melon, what are they? They are edible or inedible?
Inedible.
Very good. Okay, now let me again share screen with you. Please wait.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, now let's recap what we have done in this class. Flowers grows on the stem. Some flowers change into fruit. Not all flowers, only some flowers change into fruit, and most of the fruits, they have what? Seed inside them. So that's the reason we say that flowers are responsible for producing seeds. Okay, because from flower we get what? Fruit, and inside fruit what is there? Seeds. So that's the reason we say flowers are responsible for producing seeds. Next one. Next, there are two type of seeds, edible and inedible. The seeds which we can eat, they are called edible. The seeds which we do not eat are inedible. Okay, now their fruits, they have, some have many seeds, some have only one seeds. And the last one, we use seed, and when a seed is sown in the soil, it will give us a new plant when they will get proper water, proper air, proper sunlight, and the proper temperature. Then the seed will grow into a new plant, and this process is known as germination. Now with this is the end of this slide. Now I'm going to discuss some questions with you. Let me stop sharing. Okay. Now, as we in our previous class also and in this class also, we have discussed different parts of the plant. Okay, each part has a specific function. So overall, can you identify plant with human body? In the same way, human body also, we have also different parts. Each part have their own function. In the same way, plants also have different parts. They perform different functions. That's the reason their plants are also known as living things. Now I'm going to share one worksheet with you. Please wait. Okay. Now I'm going to unmute you one by one. You have to answer it. Okay. Okay. Aditya, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, now first, see, can you see this one? Germination is a process in which ash grow into a new plant. Can you answer me? See, here is a hint. See this, what is this? Inside lychee, what is this? Okay, anyone else? Harveen, can you answer me?
Germination is the process in which a seed grows into a new plant.
Very good, beta. Now next one. Now let me ask someone else. Dash is a part of a plant that contains seeds. Please wait. Okay. Japman, can you answer me? Japman.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you answer me the second one? Dash is a part of a plant that contains seeds. Which part contains seeds?
Root.
Think about, right? See, see this picture. What is this? See the pictures. What are there in the pictures? This is what? There is a lychee, there is a melon, there is a mango. What are they? They are fruits. So fruit is a part of a plant that contain seeds. The next one is, give an example for each of the following. A fruit that has one seed. Okay, let me give chance to someone else. Samreet. Samreet beta. Samreet. Samreet, a fruit that has one seed. Anyone else want to answer? Bishpreet, can you answer me?
Mango.
Mango. Very good. Very good. Another one you can see in this worksheet. Lychee. Okay, next one. A fruit that has many seeds. Anyone?
Me, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Can I tell that?
Yes, please.
Melon.
Watermelon. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, edible seed. Example of edible seed. Papaya. Papaya means many seeds. So today we have talked. Okay, thank you, students. Today we have thank you. Today we have discussed about what? Flower. Okay. Thank you. So meet you in next session. Bye bye.